So I want to talk to you about this Sony camera I did purchase myself. Is in very good condition here. You can see here's the bottom of it here. It's the DSC-H300. And this camera is in amazing condition. I just want to show you a little bit about it. Here is the front. It does come with a nice lens cap. Comes right off, as you can see here. Beautiful lens. It is a nice zoom lens. Here is the side of it. The flash pops up just like that there. Easy. Super easy to access. I'll show you the back of it. It's got a nice big wide screen here. This is 20.1 megapixels. So it's really quite a bit of imaging here. Here's the top, very easy to use dial. You can, like I said, you can do video. Here's a zoom right here. Here is how you take a photo and how you take videos. You press this record button here. Really easy. Here is the bottom of it. This is where the batteries go. 4 AA batteries, and SD card goes here. Now that's easy enough. The batteries you have to provide yourself, just so you know. And to turn on the camera, all you have to do is hit the power button, turns it on, and there it is right there. And you can see here's my hand. There's a live view. Okay, the zoom does work. I'll show you that. And zoom all the way up, zoom all the way back, and just an absolutely phenomenal, clean camera. Like I said, not a scratch on this camera. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to show you how to use it real quick. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. So here's my little friend Xfinity, and we're going to take a little photo of my friend Xfinity, and automatically will adjust to macro, as you can see here. So we got a super close shot of him. Hit that button, and boom, there he is. So I'll take him out of the photo so you can see he's right there. So it does disappear after you take a photo, of course, and to play it back, hit the play button, and there he is. Now to delete, hit the trash can, delete this one image, and bye-bye, there he goes. And that's all you have to do. It's really is that easy to use. Super simple to use. On-off button, it sets back in, pop on the cap, the lens cover, and you're good to go. So hope you enjoyed that nice tour of this beautiful Sony camera. Absolutely stunning, 35 times optical zoom view. There's a little speaker right here so you can hear the volume, and just all around great quality from Sony. It does come with a little strap as well. And it is the Sony branded strap. Just want to show you that. Sony branded strap, and everything is just, it functioned perfectly. It's been tested and absolutely beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this nice tour of this gorgeous camera. Thanks for watching the review.